Okay guys, so this is $1,000,000 question. Let me tell you a little bit about my background first, okay? I've been fixing and maintaining big commercial generators, as well as small residential generators, as well as portable generators. I own about 12 of these, owned about 12 of these through my lifetime. As of right now, I own only 2 of those. Okay, and I know these machines inside out, pretty much. So I know how they build, and I can tell you that none of them let me down from those 12 that I owned before. And I know this machine does not come with a lot of bells and whistles like other inverter generators, but it's just very basic but very reliable, clean power, and true to its ratings. So I say this machine is absolutely worth the price. Cheers to that, and I'll get down to the point as soon as I drink this. Okay, so number one, the rating, 2200 watts. And this machine, 2200 watts means 2200 watts. And I was even able to get more out of them. I did not test this one, this exact machine, but I know when I tested other machines, and I do have it on the video on the YouTube, I was able to get more power out of them than what they rated, than what are they rated for, which is very unusual. And any other generator inverter, if you get 80% out of the ratings, let's say if it's rated 2200, you will be lucky if you get 2000, and I mean lucky, because if you get 1800 continuous watts out of the other machines, you still will be very lucky. Okay? They don't even come close to their ratings. Let's put it that way. Okay? So that's number one thing. Number two is the clean power. Or I don't know what is number one, what is number two, what is number three, whatever. But let's say number two is the clean power coming out of this. I have never had a generator, and I have tested many of those, that will produce such a nice pure sine wave as this inverter on this machine. Okay, and again, I do have a video on that. And number three, reliability. If you will take care of this machine the way you're supposed to, and it's not very hard, okay, this machine will serve you well for many, many years. Very reliable. I have to say, none of those 12 I owned before let me down when I needed it. Okay, and I do have to admit, I do understand these machines, so I do maintain them, I do store them properly, and I do have videos on that too. So, you know, all of this is on YouTube on my channel. So that's pretty much the three major things why I would say that this machine is worth the money. If you have more, just hit me back. That's fine. I'll be glad to learn something else or to discuss this. But this is number one generator that every household, at least this one, this small one, every household should have in case of emergency. Okay, very little consumption on the gas. I can run it about 8 hours on the gas tank, which is about a gallon. Honestly, this is just my baby. That's, if I'm not going to keep any other generators, and I have about 6, 7, maybe 8 of those right now, I'm going to keep this one. I know that. Okay. Yeah, I'm sorry this is a kind of strange video. I know you don't see my face, but standing next to this beauty makes me actually look really, really ugly. So that's why I don't want to show my face. But anyway, cheers and hit me back.